It's me, Horror.
Confrontation between SCP objects and Trevor Henderson's creatures. In the blue corner, SCP-173, the Sculpture. In the red corner, Day 17. I'll break your neck.
I'll stomp you as if my name was Godzilla.
On the left, SCP-2006, Too Spooky. On the right, Cartoon Cat. I'll scare you to death, bro, and then we'll apologize. There'll be me who will scare you to death. Trust me. Next pair, in the blue corner, SCP-3199. Humans refuted! In the red corner, Boogan! You got trouble now, you piece of trash. The next pair, SCP-682, How to Destroy Reptile against Bridgeworm. I'll do to you the same that I've done on the farm. Like that. Crawl closer here, lizard. Getting ready for fight. In the blue corner, Country Road Creature. In the red corner, SCP-096, the Shy Guy. I'll bite your disgusting head and spit it out into garbage can. And I'll infect you with corona, you disgusting creature. The next pair on the left, SCP-049, Plug Doctor. On the right, Starliner Cinemas. You guess this is my face, bro? No, it's just a mask. When you see my face, you are done with. 218, 219. What are you counting? Just remembering how many I ate. In the blue corner, the Ghost of Mongoose. In the red corner, SCP-131. In the blue corner, SCP-3166, the Garfield. In the red corner, Honeymooners, Forgotten Baby and Cartoon Girl. What's wrong? Do I have to fight with two monsters? I'm not sure that'll be fair.
It's fair enough, bro. They say behind every great man there's a great woman. Like husband, like wife.
And now on the left, SCP-983, the birthday monkey. On the right, Costume Man, Mr. Muscat. No, Mr. Muscat, just one song. After that, the only way for you will be to the graveyard. Take your time, monkey. It's not as simple as that. I've lost count how many I killed. And now, friends, our favorites! In the blue corner, SCP-023, Black Shuck. In the red corner, Siren Head. We cannot show you the files themselves for safety reasons.